DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly Pidgin English news. I beg, if this one are the first time when you don't take the serious, make you subscribe and follow us for our social media platforms. For website, na www.djntv.news. Make you subscribe there because now there will be summer 24/7 news, no shaking. Then for our YouTube, now be DJM TV. Make you subscribe there too. Then make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell. Sake of say, as you knock your hand, anytime we knock this come out, you go always receive us straight and direct for your phone. Again, make you like our page for Facebook, now DJM TV. Then make you not forget to follow us for Twitter, now still DJM TV.
In every of the flyovers we went to, they trekked the whole length. Sir, on behalf of the people of the state, I want to thank you for what you have done for us. You don't owe us anything. I know what we have passed through in this state. We didn't show politics. We say, look, what is right is right. What is to be done is supposed to be done. So I want to commend you and thank you so much. And God will continue to bless you and members of your family and your team. The ministry friends for what? Let me commend Jonas Berger. Some people criticize me. Why is it that every work is done by Jonas Berger? The same people who criticize me, when I give it to a local contractor, when I leave, they will say, did he do any work? I prefer to leave a legacy that my wife and my children, my family will say, yes, when our husband, when our father was there, this was what he did. And I want to apologize. If I have money today, every road I will do, in fact, I will not look back. I will give it to God. Anybody can say whatever they want to say, but I feel satisfied. I was here 1 a.m. this morning with my wife and one of the Nigerian staff, Marisol, and Senator, who was there with us? And one of my editor, journalist friend. 1 a.m. we were here to look at the whole place. And I said, God, I thank you for the opportunity you have given to me to serve my people. It's not as if I'm the best, but it's an opportunity God gave. And I said, God, I will not disappoint you. God, I will not abuse this opportunity. I'll do all I can do to serve the people, and may your name be praised at all times. During the COVID-19, there was not another left. They worked under the COVID-19. About time everywhere was shut down. So many companies were taking excuses. Because of this shutdown, you cannot do anything. Jonas Berger said, look, for you, for the commitment you have shown, we'll also commit ourselves. And they stayed all through that period and worked. And today, see the results of what they are doing. Jonas Berger, I want to thank you so much for your commitment. And I can tell you, we are not one of those states that will owe you. No doubt will be owed to you. Every project we have given to you, we must pay. Just like we have paid this 90% of the trade, the GRA will pay 70%. By the time we start this one, we will also pay 70%. So we don't need to worry ourselves. And those people, you must be happy. This is of God garrison. Garrison is a military war. Communities must be known. And that's why I said, this idea of garrison, artillery, must stop. Garrison is not our community's name, is it? Artillery, is it our community name? We must reflect our community name. That's why I said this is REBISI. Some people may not be happy. You can die. When we have a lot of love, but not anybody wants to die. So I don't apologize to anybody. I'm a very proud son of this area. REBISI America! REBISI America! Very young So a thing of joy for me that I'm alive today and this is happening. When we started, people said, how can you do this? Compensation we paid. There's nobody who are all here, we paid. But let me tell you the bad side of the story now. On Monday, I was signed an executive order where any landlord who allows these traders in front of their houses, government will acquire your property. Because enough is enough. I came here, I saw traders on the road. I will spend money, tomorrow morning you see a trader. Now, take the risk. Take the risk. Allow traders to be in front of your house to mess up here. I will acquire your house for public purpose. I will sign the executive order on Monday. But I told you that. And I hear. Prepare the executive order, I will sign it on Monday, and I will acquire. Because I don't understand why we cannot appreciate something that is good. Come tomorrow morning, you see traders on the road here. Now when I come to chase you away, you say, I hate the Igbos, I hate the Hausas, I hate the Yoruba. It's not my business. I will do what is right. When we went to Oklahoma today, I was saying the minister, I said, sir, see what you are doing. Now look at the traders. They are taking over everywhere. See the market I built. They don't want to use the market. Their own business is to trade on the road, mess up the road, look at everywhere. That's it. It will not happen again. Don't like me. This is not a period of liking me. I'm not already any threatening. There's no threatening concern. So nobody should threaten me with your vote that, oh, we won't vote for you again. Don't vote. Don't vote. Don't vote. Because no. Now you see how people it is. Why can't we like something that is good? Why can't we? We live here now, you see all kinds of rubbish on the road. And then government will suffer. And then you say, as if we are born to live in a dirty environment. We are not born to live in a dirty environment. It takes time to change order. I will do it. Whatever it will cost me, let it cost me. I will not allow every effort we have put in place to be messed up for whatever reason. If you want to be a dirty man, go to wherever you want. Here is not for dirty people. We must live in a clean environment. Everybody is happy. FLYOVER. But tomorrow night, you should go sell it and FLYOVER. They take over. Even the vehicles cannot pass. So, I'll sign the executive order and I'm going to solve the tax force. I've told again about. You know, people don't believe that the government can do it. But if so, you know it now, the kind of people will stop here. But think about the whole place. Look, enough is enough. Yeah, the kind of people will confiscate it and we will sell it and make revenue for state government for more roads. Now, REBISI, let me say this in our own language. I'm going to go sometimes you want to do that. Who am I? Who has to man and answer? I'm not going to open up. Who man I'm not going to say. I'm not going to say. Because some information we have, the iPod is together. And go to your car. Make a weird. Nation America, my mention no, Roman Huli. Roman can wear, and I can apply it. And I'm going to do it. I'll buy a union model. I mean, from my water, come one, tell you get an attack. Move on his back. I love you. I want to say, I'm not going to tell you. Sunday, they don't make it. Come on, I get you. No, to take whatever. No, I'm not going to. I'm going to be on the white, the best settlement. Something for the what? In Java, then they settle. The gentleman got to go to Brazil. I'm Namanga. I'm to Brazil. And better. And better. And better. So, on this note, let me invite a man who has performed. He was a former chief of staff, just like we were former too. We follow them. Anytime I see chief of staff, they have been doing well. Former chief of staff, former governor of Lagos State, not just an ordinary state, who did very, very well. Creditably well, and Nigerians can attest. So, and by the great special grace of God today is the Minister of Works and House. But let me appeal to him. All the flyovers I took around are all federal projects. Help us. Help us. I know you are one of the voices that Mr. President listened to. Help us. Let them refund us more. They may not refund us more. We will have tried. It is not easy to carry 5 flyovers, federal road at the same time. The sweat is too much on us. If you can help us more, then we can use that one again to move to other areas to also help you. Let them know that the federal government president is in the state. If you give all this money now, it is you that did it. It is you. It's no longer we, because you have given us back our money. So take that credit. Don't allow me to say I'm the one who did it, but I prefer the money. You take the name that you did it. Let me use it for something else. So let me invite you, sir, to come and talk to everyone. And then commission this project to the people. Thank you, God bless you.
Where is our audio guy? Fashola.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State and his very delectable wife, my Lord Honorable Justice Mrs. Nyesom Wike, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Your Excellency, the Speaker, distinguished members of the Rivers State Executive Council, my lords, eminent residents and indigenous of Rivers State, Royal Highnesses and Majesties, my friends, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Let me thank Governor Wike for the invitation to me to commission one of the 5 flyover projects, and he says the 6th is coming. Let me say first that I bring the very best wishes of President Muhammadu Buhari and the federal government of Nigeria, and to say, as I have said in all the 36 states that I have visited in my capacity as minister, that the federal government is not in competition with any state. Our responsibility and our mandate from Mr. President is to support the developmental initiatives and aspirations of every state. Our elections happen only once in 4 years, but our developmental challenges happen every day. And so, we have no choice who to serve. We serve the people of Nigeria. Once in 4 years, we will lock horns with Uche Secondus, and until he changes his name to Festus, well, we will know that Secondus will not be good enough. Mr. Governor, let me say that I thank you for all your kind words, and I believe that all of the expressions of appreciation belong only to one person, the President of the Federal Republic, and all of the commendations that you have expressed today, I will make sure I convey to him. It was his initiative that it was only fair and just to refund to states monies they had spent on federal roads, and it was done across party lines without discrimination. Let me also say now that Governor Wike has come out into the open about this. Some of you may have also heard stories that Governor Rotimi Amechi, my colleague in the Federal Executive Council, was somehow not happy or somehow. Nothing can be further than the truth. The champion for the refund among the ministers was Rotimi Amechi himself. And one of the things we ensured, because I also did federal roads as a state governor, so one of the things we ensured, in order that there be some dispassionate considerations, was that those of us who were governors and later became ministers in that committee, nobody went to his own state to go and inspect. So I didn't go to Lagos. Amechi didn't come to Rivers. We sent different ministers who were not indigenous.
DJM TV.
Turn me from here up.
Quality project. His Excellency. I want you to
This one, our stadium go close by tomorrow. Oh, this is the final match before the stadium close. Well done. How long when I don't use this stadium?
Well, 1 night. 3 nights.
8
nights.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, so this is REBISI flyover. My goodness me. Wow. Now I'm on at the top of the bridge. To be commissioned tomorrow. Wow. Edmond say he wrote to me. Ah, okay. Now, wow. This is serious. Ogechi Aliko, I see you. Yeah, this is the overpass that is to be commissioned tomorrow. Okay, so this is as far as I'll go. I'll soon turn back. REBISI flyover, Jimeto, where formerly called Garrison. Dropping on this side. St. Paul, St. Andrews is to the left. Let's see if you can see any. Yeah, so that's the Trans-Amadi Road. From there. Wow. Alright, thank you for watching. Till tomorrow when we get details of the commission in Jimeto. This is Rivers State, and this overpass was just built. It's to be commissioned tomorrow by the Minister of Works, Babatunde Fashola, former governor of Lagos State. Fashola. Alright, thank you for watching.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.